Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm showing how to switch your Microsoft Office to dark mode. So I'm gonna open Microsoft Word for the tutorial. Open the Word. I have a 2016 version. You should have a 2016 or 2019 version for this one. And go to the file option. Under the file option, click on the options, which is in the bottom, and go to general option, which will be the default option that's opening. And after that, click on the Office theme. Normally the default will be colorful, where you will see blue and all other colors. You can just switch to dark gray and click on OK. So once you press OK, you can see that our Office is converted to a dark mode. And if you want to go back to the previous option, you can go back. And just let me show you the Excel also. When I open the Excel also, it's showing in the dark mode. So entire Office has been changed to the dark mode. Now I'll just show you how to roll back to the previous option, which is colorful, or you can even choose the white mode in case if you want. I'm just gonna choose colorful, the default option. So I believe this video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.